Hey friends, if you wish to force close a program which task manager cannot terminate, then please watch this video. I will guide you to one solution only, but you need to do it very carefully. So one thing is the task kill process, and task kill is same as ending a program from the task manager. So what's different in the command prompt? It is this /F, which refers to force, which means forcibly close a program which even task manager cannot do it. The command line is task kill space /im space the name of the program space /f. Now let's say I have notepad open here, notepad. Okay, I'll open notepad. Now I need to close it forcibly because I cannot close it through the task manager. So I'll type task kill space /im space notepad.exe space /f. I'll type command prompt. I'll paste it here and I'll hit enter. It has been terminated. Similarly, if it was Excel, let me show you Excel, then I would have to make it excel.exe. And then I will have to open it here. And it has been terminated. For Word, it is winword.exe. For PowerPoint, it's powerpnt.exe and so on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.